Hey dear financial allies in Crypto Vault, today we will analyze Decentraland. Today human collaboration and socialization have become predominantly virtual. One can't disregard the new online entertainment blast. A great many people have moved their social and business connections to their telephones or PC. Government-issued money acquisition of land are very known about, yet virtual buy land through virtual monetary forms is an altogether original idea. Check this outline before we start with Decentraland cost expectation. In light of the Ethereum blockchain with an undeniable record of possession, the Decentraland foundation of the game has been made to append an all-new command over the virtual place where there is clients who can now buy, construct and adapt augmented reality applications through Decentraland. Decentraland clients are better engaged to assume responsibility for the climate and applications they make inside their property. The authority web-based entertainment record of the stage generally keeps its perspectives refreshed with forthcoming occasions. An extensive information of the arrangement made is recorded on the blockchain, and consequently the data on this computer-generated simulation stage is completely safe. Decentraland, Mana. A virtual marvel. Every one of the resources and land packages displayed in the game can be bought with a local token called Mana, be it streets or courts. Since the land ownership is a NFT recorded on the decentralized blockchain Ethereum, utilizing the ERC 721 guidelines, adaptability and security arise as noticeable metaverse game highlights. It's still early days for virtual universes despite the fact that the Decentraland project is explicitly conceptualized to draw in players who have matured out of the kids' games, for the teens and youthful grown-ups who look for more profound human associations, dependent more on mingling and executing than on expedition. In January 2022, Decentraland made a stride further to point mass reception, facilitating a total virtual inclusion of the Australian Open tennis competition, beginning from January 17, combining metaverse and reality, giving the experience of live transmissions, everyday popes and some more. Let's jump further into Decentraland Mana value forecast and specialized examination. Decentraland. Laying the foundation. As the quickest developing virtual world, Decentraland was created by an Argentinian gathering in 2016 by Esteban Ordano and Ariel Milik, with Chief Executive Officer James Ashton. Decentraland has brought $25.5 million up in subsidizing from 6 high-profile clients. It incorporates Animoca Brands, Boost VC, Fabric Ventures, Genesis One Capital, Fundamental Labs, and George Burke. Decentraland's designers have taken an exceptionally insightful and light gave way to deal with building the game's essential layers. New activities and organizations in the cryptographic money market are as of now in progress to make this computerized world a modern and drawing in substitute reality, which will probably become pervasive and habit-forming. Adding to a virtual world, say utopia, computerized land is one of the such speculations valuable open doors worth considering. Financial backers make certain to profit from this augmented simulation stage-based economy, learning and assembling invigorating encounters. No big surprise, a combination of workmanship, create supported by music and designs, make certain to make Decentraland an extremely elective and worthwhile speculation apparatus. Decentraland, Mana. Technical analysis and historical data. What should be seen here is that right from commencement, and according to the most recent News and Venture Council by crypto specialists and examiners, the coin showed no development and lay slow with practically no beam of expectation for clients. In spite of the fact that there were changes and improvements occurring in the innovation of blockchain, this resource stayed languid to move an inch. At the starting time, the cost of Decentraland cryptographic money was around $0.024 in December 2017. Afterward, it flooded and crossed the 24 cents mark, however confronted dismissal and recovered past help levels. The Decentraland cost didn't actually check enormous developments and kept on exchanging a comparative cost range till the start of this current year. Then, at that point, as though with the power of a torrent wave, the coin cleared its path through numerous different partners. A blast time, i.e., the bull driving the mana pursue, really appeared from December 2020, when the resource climbed to the Decentraland cost of around 80 cents. Till April 2021, mana kept on showing a similar pattern, when the cost of mana shot up to another high of $1.56. Nonetheless, in the wake of hitting another high, the mana kept on adjusting downwards, and the Decentraland cost plunged beneath 65 cents. Afterward, the mana coin set apart till the finish of October, and afterward it recorded a sharp climb which took the Decentraland cost above $3.5. From that point onward, the money kept on exchanging with huge bullishness. In the last November, Decentraland denoted another unsurpassed high of $5.90. Be that as it may, in the wake of hitting another ATH, the mana cost confronted critical revision which took the Decentraland cost around the $2 mark. From that point onward, the cost of Decentraland recaptures its cost level around $3 mark. The majority of the advanced coin costs have been reflecting gigantic unpredictability, and there is a high gamble in crypto exchanging during unstable periods. Our proposal to the dealers is to play out their own exploration market figure prior to exchanging to limit the gamble in question. Very much like numerous digital currencies, the mana crypto can be bought through cryptographic money trades like Binance and Huobi Global. Decentraland price predictions. Market sentiment. Going by the specialized investigation, Decentraland cost has had a memorable journey all through contrasted with other advanced resources, and that could be the basic role for its ubiquity as well. The ongoing cost of Decentraland digital currency remains at the worth of $3.04, with a market cap of $5,637,457,701.47, with a 24 hours exchanging volume of $1,231,753, with a coursing mana supply of 1,832,129,198 mana. And in most recent 24 hours, the Decentraland cost has been changed by 6.09%. Conquering all obstacles, mana is set to hold a benchmark for its presentation, drawing in a significant financial backer local area, outperforming all assumptions with regards to generally speaking development. The Decentraland cost forecasts for coming years is recorded underneath. Decentraland price prediction 2022. Taking into account there are no abrupt shocks ahead for the digital currency market, Decentraland mana token is good to go to support areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among numerous financial backers and traders. According to the positive mana figure and future market capitalization, the street ahead is brimming with pedals, gave the financial backers certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Decentraland cost, taking it to cross all obstructions, scaling above $4.8 in the market of the crypto, according to our fair crypto gauge, for the year 2022 Decentraland mana cost expectation. As per the ongoing value pattern and gauge, clients ought to contribute at the current crypto market costs to acquire critical benefit from now on. Decentraland figure by specialists proposes contributing at the ongoing value level might give extensive revisitations of merchants in the close to term, and they would have the option to settle on a choice whether they ought to contribute or sell Decentraland. As indicated by the price forecast for mana, the crypto cost will reach $5.1 by 2022. The anticipated Decentraland cost can additionally ascend to $5.8 by the December. Market experts conjecture the mana to exchange around $8 toward the finish of the following year, which is 279% of the ongoing cost at the hour of compassing. Decentraland price prediction 2023. Decentraland mana has laid out a quick solid organization and works with the client experience of the item. In view of our Decentraland cost gauges, these highlights can help the mana token increase a lot greater cost of $6.7 in 2023. In the event that the drive for utilitarian crypto proceeds within founded by Maxim Blagov and Witek Radomski in 2009, Engine was assembled fundamentally to serve the gaming local area. It was a stage when this present reality had gotten huge energy and video gaming and online mediums had turned into a craze. At first, to fabricate a hardy groundwork and to produce reserves, the venture sent off an underlying coin offering, ICO, raising about $18.9 million by offering ENG tokens to construct its